Hello everyone! Easy peasy vocab is a better way to learn vocabulary and retain for longer. You don't need to memorize the words, but instead leverage the visualizations. That means you just need to look at the pictures and then understand the meaning and use it in a sentence. It is very simple, right? I'm here with few words and now let's look at the first example. The first word is mound. Its pronunciation is mound. Say it with me, mound. Mound is to heap up into a rounded pile. Part of speech is verb as it shows action, and then the connection word is playground. In this picture, you can see there's a playground. And what can you see here? You can see a few ants and an ant hill, right? Ants mounded the dirt in the playground. So these ants, they heaped up or they piled up the dirt to make an anthill. There was a giant mound of anthill in the playground. Here mound would be a noun because the ants already made the anthill. Now let's see the usage in sentences. Srivatsa mounded the food on his plate. That means Srivatsa piled up his food on his plate. The snow was mounded on both sides of the road. That means the snow was piled up on both the sides of the road, making it difficult to walk. The teacher's desk was mounded with books and papers. That means the teacher's desk is full of books and papers piled up one above the other. The next word is celebrate. Its pronunciation is celebrate. Say it with me. Celebrate. Celebrate is to do something special or enjoyable in honor of something, like a birthday or an event or a festival. Part of speech is verb. The connection word is decorate. In this picture, you can see a girl who is beautifully dressed up with an amazing decoration in the background. Shrestha decorates her house with diyas and celebrates Diwali. She is Shrestha and she is celebrating Diwali in her house. Usage in sentences. The family gathered to celebrate Christmas. So the family came together to celebrate Christmas. What do? They enjoy good food, they talk, and they do party, right? Anya will celebrate her birthday on Friday. About 100 friends and relatives will celebrate Becky's mom's 60th birthday this year. The next word is braid. Its pronunciation is braid. Say it with me. Braid. Braid is to weave 3 or more strands of hair together. Part of speech is verb as it shows action, and the connection word is made. Tina's maid braids her hair every morning. She is Tina's maid and this is Tina. So her maid braids her hair every morning. So this is the braid. You know what a braid looks like, right? Now let's see the usage in sentences. Olivia likes to braid her hair before swimming so it gets less tangled. Tangled means knotted. It took an hour and a half to braid properly. The students were taught how to braid yarn into bracelets. So they were taught how to braid the thread into bracelets. The next word is voyage. Its pronunciation is voyage. Say it with me. Voyage. It means a journey, travel, tour, trip, especially by sea or air. Part of speech is verb. Connection word is village. You can see a beautiful village beside the sea. John and Kelly went on a sea voyage to a village. So John and Kelly, they were on the ship and they went to a village. So John and Kelly went on a sea voyage. That means they went on a tour to a village. Now let's see the usage in sentences. Everyone wished Kim for a safe and delighted voyage. The voyage from England to India used to take 6 months. It's pretty long, right? We will voyage to Africa next summer. The last word in this video is wiggle. Its pronunciation is wiggle. Say it with me. Wiggle. Wiggle is to move or cause to move up and down or from side to side with shaky or jerky movements. Part of speech is verb. The connection word is big hill. Here you can see a snake going up the hill. The snake wiggled on the big hill. So it went up with side to side movements. Now let's see the usage in sentences. The doctor asked me to wiggle my toes, like to move your toes up and down or side to side. Tom's shoes were so tight he couldn't wiggle his toes. If your shoe is tight, can you move your toes? No, right? The puppy wiggled with excitement. So the puppy was so happy and then it started giving side to side shaky, jerky movements with happiness. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos.